Roblox on your PC is a very easy step. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So firstly, all you have to do is open any web browser as your preferences on your computer or PC. Then simply tap on the search address bar and go to the Roblox website. If you don't have any account created, then click on sign up and create an account with a username, password and birth date. Complete the registration process and log into your account. But if you already have an account, then tap on the login option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now enter your username and password and log into your Roblox account. Now simply tap on the I agree option available on your screen. Now once Roblox is signed up, open the Roblox player from a desktop or start menu. Now browse and search for your favorite games from the Roblox homepage and click play on any game and it will launch in Roblox player. So that is it. Now you are all set to enjoy Roblox games on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.